Hello everyone, welcome to Immerse Education. I am Sagar Katheria, your IELTS guide. In this Writing Task 2 series, today we are going to cover idea discussion. In the first previous part, we have seen about the understanding the question. Now, in this step 2, after understanding the question, idea generation and planning is the most crucial part. Why? First of all, it is somewhat related to task response and coherence cohesion marking criteria. It generally depends on your idea and explanation part. So we can say that 50% of weightage in IELTS essay is based on our idea, and how are you going to represent it? It also matters. Clear? So for idea generation, there are different methods which we are going to see. Roughly, we can say that per essay we need 4 ideas. It will be roughly around 3 to 4, but maximum we need only 4 ideas per essay. But the method, so now let's see it. So first one is coffee shop method, or we can also call it as a personal opinion method. So around 5 to 5 point band level ideas we can easily brainstorm with the help of this method. So basically, in this method we have to visualize like a scenario in which we are going to do the discussion with our friends. We can compare it with our tea shop or pan parlor scenario, in which normally we do the discussion with our friends or relatives. In that example, normally related to Cricket World Cup, demonetization or lockdown scenario, we normally give our suggestion. We always give an argument, so we can connect it with this that scenario. So in that scenario, what we are doing, we are going to imagine in a situation where we are having discussion with our friends. Clear? So in this coffee shop method, we can easily brainstorm idea related to any essay. It will be up to 5 to 5.5 and then based on your skill, expertise or your experience. So this is the raw method idea. Clear? Personal opinion method or coffee shop method, you don't have to worry about examiner's point of view, or you don't have to worry that will examiner will agree with me or not. It doesn't matter. Now for explanation portion, explanation of that idea. Here the important part is the explanation of that idea also. So for explanation, you can ask the question like WH questions like why, who, how, what, when, who, what, where, when, why, how, like that type of questions. So based on that, you can brainstorm idea in details and with the particular information. You can also include where, effect, example, reason, result, like that. So these will help you to elaborate your idea properly. It is also called as a WH method. Means you have to ask the question who, what, where, when, why, how, reason and result. Okay, so this is the basic. In the beginning step, this method will help you to start. So always think like that you are having discussion with your friends and ask the detailed questions for better explanation. Clear? So for basic idea, this is the perfect method. Now we will start with the another method. The next one is mind mapping. Now the most common problem is that students are not having any clue related to when to start, how to start. So at that time, we can use the help of this method, mind mapping. In this method, we are going to think step by step. For example, if I am going to ask you the question related to advantages of internet, so what are your answers? Give me the advantages of internet. So most of the students will give an answer like, sir, it helps us to navigate Google Map. It helps us to find the information, Google search. It helps us to find the information on YouTube related to videos of house. It helps in study. It helps in business. But what is the common among all 5 ideas? Now, normally we have to brainstorm maximum 4 ideas. But here I have asked you only the one thing, which is advantages. And I have asked you all student the ideas. but you have given all 5 ideas which are just one ideas. Understand it. The main theme of these all 5 ideas are information. So you have just given me the advantages related to information, availability of information. So now we have to think with the help of mind mapping so that you can brainstorm the ideas which are unique. So with the help of that, you can brainstorm particular vocab also, topic wise vocabulary. It will help you to boost your score in lexical resource criteria. Let's take an example. First, we will take the example of advantages related to internet. So now think like that from the perspective of gender. How will it help to male or female? So all the ideas are we have discussed till now are related to male, we can say that. But now think from the female's perspective. We can say that shopping, it is mostly connected with the female, and work from home. Because of internet nowadays it is possible to do work from home, so it is advantageous to women, correct? So these two ideas, shopping, convenient shopping, as well as work from home, are the two advantages which are unique. Clear? Now think from the perspective of age, child. We can say that leisure time or entertainment activity, children are mostly spending time on internet for entertainment purpose. Clear? So entertainment activity. For young, information or education. For adult, business purposes, business transaction. For older, we can say that related to health perspective, because of technological advancement and internet. Nowadays it is easier to seek the advices from all over the world. Clear? So we can say that health related. So health, entertainment, information and business. So these are all the separate ideas and unique ideas. Now in another way, from the perspective of different aspect like physical, we can say that convenience. What do you mean by that? Convenience means we can easily pay the bills, do advance booking, train booking, bus booking, like that. So all type of these convenience are possible because of the internet. In terms of mental, entertainment and leisure time activity, we can say that. So it is related to mental, social, communication. Yes, this is the unique ideas. So social in the terms of nowadays, because of the internet, WhatsApp, video call, these type of features are easily available, so we can connect to our relatives. So related to social perspective. Then financially, like business and all. So we have seen that with the help of different aspect or segment, we can easily brainstorm our ideas which are unique and different to each other. Clear? So it is also called as a mind mapping or aspect method. For solution also, it is normally asked the question, what are the causes and solution? So for solution also we can divide it into two main theme. Generally we can say that in the world, to find the solution of any particular problem, only two person can help. Two person or two bodies. The first one is government. The government has power. So because of that, with the help of rules and regulation and infrastructure, government can solve any problem. Clear? So with the help of these ideas, you can brainstorm solution. Now the second one is related to institute. Institute like school, educational institute, MNC companies, NGOs, medias. So these type of institute can create awareness, can aware the people. So with the help of awareness, there will be change of mindset of the people. Then because of behavioral changes, people will follow it and it will lead to solution. Clear? So This is the simple solution of any essay. You can implement this method to any type of essay for solution purpose. So it is called as a mind mapping. So here we are thinking step by step, like, okay, related to aspect, related to this different segment. So with the help of that, we can brainstorm unique ideas. Clear? So this is the third method. Now next. It is called as analyze model essay. Simple method. Here you don't have to do a brainstorm, you don't have to do any brainstorming. Just read the sample answer from the book. If you are not aware about the topic, or you haven't thought about it till date, then you just have to read the sample essay. Then by reading you can fetch the information. Clear? So it is called as an analyze model essay or reverse engineering, because we have read sample answer, then we are going to read. So this is the simple method. It is analyze model essay. So these are the four main method. The first one is coffee shop method or personal opinion method. Second one is for explanation portion. Third one, mind mapping or aspect method. Fourth one is analyze model essay. Now, which is the best method? If we are going to ask you the question, which is the best method among these? We can say that no method is the best, or which ideas are the best. The simple answer to all the questions are the method which help you to give the ideas that are easiest to explain. No ideas are best or worst. It depends on explanation portion. So you always have to select the ideas which are easier to explain. Sometimes most of the students select the ideas which are the most unique and different ideas, but then there is a problem related to explanation portion. You don't have to do that thing. Clear? Always select the ideas which are easier to explain. So these are all related to idea generation. In the next part we will see the example of it. Okay, thank you.